Hello guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 10-6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself without me wasting your time. Let's get to start today. Honestly speak, do you think Udebe July uzoba khona this year? Abaphathi bemali bayaboshwa guys. Ziyakhala South Africa, arrest after arrest. On Saturday it was Julius Mkhwanazi, Kagisho Lerutla. Yesterday the special investigating unit they exposed Siyabonga Nkosi, known as Leleti Nkosi's husband. She's influencer, guys. You know, yes, when you come to think of it, if they give General Mkhwanazi his documents that he requested and let him mind his own business in KwaZulu-Natal province, everyone will be still eating in peace. So, guys, kushubile South Africa, penduka. So I saw Musamseleko also trending, guys, and I asked myself, what is going on? Musamseleko. Some people are saying that Musamseleko needs to be investigated. Maybe now he's eating the corruption money because he's rich. So, guys, one thing is the fences like Musamseleko, they are not playing. They quickly come and address the issue. Musamseleko. Somebody went on to say the only man who not be arrested for corruption is Musamseleko. As a country, we all saw him. He couldn't afford a medical aid. So people are saying, oh, but no, Musamseleko's money is very clean. We have seen him. He has explained how he makes his money. He once said that because Sevens are a rank and he made his first million. So there's no way Musamseleko, he will find himself doing some corruption. We have seen him. He's working hard for Tanonem's Tembo from Nagwe to for Zingani's this Tembo. So Musamseleko, he's a hustler. So there's no way he has a book. There's no way he has time to do some corruption, guys. Mkhwanazi need to stay away from Musamseleko. So people are saying, oh, if anything happened, they are ready to defend Musamseleko, guys. They love Musamseleko. So, guys, there's a lot of things that is going on in South Africa, guys. The people believe Imali Musamseleko is very clean. But you still remember last year, there was a time where it was alleged that the people enter at Mpumelo's house, you know, they pretended to be police officer. They were criminals. It is alleged that they took 30,000 rand hard cash and some few items, and people are asking themselves, where did you get 30,000 rand hard cash in Mpumelelo? You just put a 30,000 rand for what reason? Because you could just put this money in the bank. But anyway, guys, Mpumelelo is working hard. So at the end of the day, everyone is doing whatever they do, guys. Sometimes they say, guys, look at someone and say, whoa, I wonder what he's saying to his ancestors. I wish Nami, my ancestors, could answer me. And the people are busy eating the government money, our tax money. We are suffering. There's a high rate of unemployment in South Africa. A person has 17 properties. So for what reason, guys? Because as a person, you cannot handle 17 properties. Guys, the people are enjoying, people are getting money, people like ladies, influencers, they are getting 50,000 rand allowance. There's a lot, guys, that is happening in South Africa, guys. You know, sometimes you will see these ladies on Instagram and you wish to be them. Kantibona, they are eating the money that could be helping you. We don't have water, we don't have electricity. People that they don't even have house. The roads are messed up. Everything is just messed up. A person will be giving a tender for 3 million rand. They wanna use it 500,000 rand. Imagine, there's a lot of things that is going on in South Africa. Let's hope whatever is happening, South African will learn the hard way. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.